Welcome children to our next maths lecture. Here we are continuing with practice set 47. First two sums we have completed and we are going to do now the third sum. The third sum I am showing you in the video. The question is, a matchbox is 4 centimeter long, 2.5 centimeter broad and 1.5 centimeter in height. Its outer side are to be is to be covered exactly with craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? Means there is a matchbox, it is a cuboid, its length, breadth and height is given to you. So you have to find and the outer side of the matchbox is to be covered with craft paper. So how much craft paper is needed, that we have to find out. So for that, first write down the given things. First one, length of the matchbox, small l is equal to 4 centimeter. Then next line you will write down its breadth b 2.5 centimeter. Next line you will write down its height, that is 1.5 centimeter. Okay. Now since we want the outer surface area, we have the formula that we have learned, that is total surface area of the matchbox. So total surface area of the matchbox, its formula is equal to, you can write twice bracket LB plus BH plus LH, which equals twice bracket L is 4. So 4 multiplied by 2.5 plus 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 plus 4 multiplied by 1.5. Next line you get the answer as 2 bracket. Now 4 into 2.5 gives you answer 10 plus 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 gives you answer 3.75 plus 4 multiplied by 1.5 gives you answer as 6. So in the bracket it comes 10 plus 3.75 plus 6, which gives us answer. Next line, 2 into 19.75. So 2 into 19.75 gives you answer 39.5 square centimeter. So this will be the craft paper required for covering the matchbox. So last answer you will be writing as, therefore 39.5 square centimeter paper will be required. Okay. So this is your third sum of practice set 47. Now let us move on to the fourth sum. Children, see the fourth question in your book. The fourth question is, an open box of length 1.5 meter, breadth 1 meter and height 1 meter is to be made for use on a trolley for carrying garden waste. So a trolley is to be made which is open for collecting garden waste. Now they have asked us question, how much sheet metal will be required to make the box? This is the first question. Then the second is, the inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted with rust proof paint. We have to paint the box inside as well as outside at a rate of rupees 150 per square meter. So how much will it cost to paint the box? Two questions are asked. So as per the question asked, we have to answer now. So write down first thing, length of the box. Length of the box L is equal to 1.5 meter. Next line you will write down breadth. Breadth is equal to 1 meter. Then its height. Height is 1 meter. All the three things you have written. Now the main thing is that the box is open at the top. It is not closed. So we have to mention that. Since the box is open at the top, sheet required to make the box will be is equal to total surface area of the box minus area of the top. So total surface area, you know the formula, twice LB plus BH plus LH minus LB, because the top is again a rectangle. The top covering is a rectangle. So LB means length into breadth, that you have to minus. So on doing subtraction, you get as second step, you can see twice LB plus twice BH plus twice LH minus LB gives you next line LB plus twice BH plus twice LH. So LB means L into B. So it is 1.5 into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1.5 into 1. Next line 1.5 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6.5 square meter. You get as the answer. Now this is the metal sheet. 6.5 square meter is the metal sheet required for the garden waste trolley to be made, since it is open on the upper side. Okay, now you have to paint it. Now painting is to be done outside and inside both. So you have to write the statement. Since the inside and outside surface of the box are to be painted, next line, area to be painted is equal to 2 into area of the box. Why 2 into? Because it is to be painted from inside as well as outside. So 2 into the area of the box is equal to 2 into 6.5, which is equal to 13 square meter. Okay. Now sheet required is the area only, so that multiplied by 2 will give you 13 square meter. Now cost of painting we have to find out, children. Cost of painting, total cost of painting is equal to area to be painted multiplied by rate per square meter, that is equal to 13 into 150, which gives you rupees 1950. So 1950 rupees you need to paint the trolley from inside as well as outside. So last sentence you will write as the answer. Therefore 6.5 square meter sheet of metal will be required and the cost of painting the box will be rupees 1950. It is rupees 1950. Now children, by this we complete the lesson. Okay, so this lesson gets completed by this sum, fourth sum, and in our next lecture we will begin with our next lesson. So before that, some important formulae I would like to share with you. You have to note down this. Important formulae. Can you see, children? First one. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Second one, perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice L plus twice bracket L plus B. Then the third one, area of square is equal to side square. Fourth one, area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Fifth one, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Then sixth one, total surface area of cuboid is equal to twice LB plus BH plus LH bracket close. And the next last one, seventh one, total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. So by this, children, these are the 7 important formulas that we have studied in the lesson. Okay. Now in our next maths lecture, children, we will be beginning with lesson number 13, that is Pythagoras theorem. I think you have understood all the sums. By heart these formulas properly, because these are again further useful to you people. Hope you have understood. Have fun. Learn along with fun. Be safe at home. Thank you.